Why do so many people find it hard to spend money, even when they have it saved up? As South Africans facing unique financial challenges, mastering a few fundamental money skills can make a significant difference in your financial journey. Today, I'm going to reveal my 4 essential money skills every South African needs to master. These skills could be the difference between financial stress and financial success. Let's dive right in it. The first skill we need to master is spending wisely. It's not just about avoiding unnecessary expenses, but learning to enjoy your money responsibly. Many South Africans, after years of scrambling and saving, find it hard to part with their money. This is particularly true for those wired as savers. For instance, you might find comfort in seeing your bank account grow rather than spending on a reliable car. It's essential to balance between saving and enjoying the fruits of your hard labor. I remember when I finally saved enough to buy a more reliable car. My old car was still running, but the peace of mind that came with a dependable vehicle was invaluable. This wasn't just about luxury, it was about ensuring safety and reducing stress. Now that we've discussed spending, let's move on to another critical aspect of financial management. Let's talk about saving. This isn't just about hoarding money, but doing so with a purpose. Saving for emergencies, education, retirement, or even starting a business can change your financial future. In South Africa, where the cost of living is high, having a solid savings plan is crucial. Start by setting up an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This fund acts as a financial cushion, providing security in times of need. Accordingly, consider long-term savings goals like a retirement fund. South Africa's retirement landscape is evolving, and it's essential to prepare early. Use tools like tax-free savings account (TFSA) to maximize your savings efficiently. I've linked a free Money Master PDF in the description box that dives deeper into every aspect of your finances. Feel free to download it. I recall a time when my emergency fund saved me from a financial crisis. Unexpected medical bills came up, and instead of scrambling for funds, I had the peace of mind knowing my savings could cover it. Having a robust savings strategy is essential, but what about growing your wealth? That brings us to our next point. The third skill is investing. Learning to navigate the investment landscape is crucial for building wealth. This involves understanding the stock market, property investment, and other financial instruments. Recently, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE, has seen significant fluctuations. Navigating these ups and downs requires a solid understanding of investment principles. Diversify your investment to spread risk. Don't put all your money into one asset class. Instead, consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Real estate in particular can be a robust investment in South Africa, given the country's property market potential. If you'd like to find the best strategies to invest in real estate, book my free consultation at propertyasekow.com. Research areas with growth potential like Johannesburg's booming property market to make informed decisions. I've had my share of ups and downs in the investment world. One of the most successful investments was in a property in a developing area in Johannesburg. The value of that property has increased significantly over the years, providing me with a stable and profitable assets. Investing wisely is about building for the future, but there is another aspect that completes the financial picture. Finally, let's not forget the power of generosity. Giving back not only helps others but also enriches your own life. In South Africa, where disparities are stark, acts of generosity can make a significant impact. Whether it's donating to local charities, supporting educational initiatives, or simply helping a neighbor in need, giving fosters a sense of community and purpose. For example, consider supporting a local school or a community project. Your contributions, no matter how small, can drive significant change. Additionally, giving often encourages a positive mindset towards money, reducing anxiety and promoting a balanced approach to finances. Whole question: which of these money skills do you find the most challenging? Spending wisely, saving strategically, investing wisely, practicing generosity. Please click on the link below to select your answer. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. I vividly remember the first time I donated to a local school. Seeing the direct impact of my contribution on the children's education and well-being was incredibly rewarding. It not only helped them, but also gave me a profound sense of purpose and fulfillment. Balancing these three skills, spending, saving, and investing, alongside with generous spirit, is the key to financial stability and success. It's about finding harmony between enjoying your earnings, securing your future, and contributing to society. As South Africans, we face unique challenges, but with the right mindset and skills, we can navigate this effectively. Remember, financial freedom is not just about how much you earn, but how well you manage it. Start today by evaluating your spending habits, setting clear saving goals, and exploring investment opportunities. I have another video on signs you are winning financially, even if it feels otherwise, and I will link it here for you as well. In conclusion, mastering these basic money skills will not only help you achieve financial stability, but also enhance your overall quality of life. So take the first step today. Assess your current financial habits, make necessary adjustments, and commit to a balanced approach to spending, saving, and investing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical financial tips if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to download the free Money Master PDF in the description box to help you stay on top of your finances. Also, leave a comment below about the money skill you find most challenging and how you plan to improve it. Let's build a financially savvy community together. See you in the next video.